caught anything? Have you caught anything?
No.
What bait are you using?
Squid.
Wasting your time. Never works.
What would you know? Squid's okay.
Used to fish here myself as a boy, same as you. Got to know what works and what the fish like.
Oh, really? What bait did you use?
Worms. Caught plenty of fish on worms. Good ones too. Tell you another trick. Tie a piece of red wool onto your hook. That works.
You're kidding. Red wool? Nah.
Mr. Arnold, there you are. We've been looking for you. Everybody's waiting at the bus. So come on, let's go, or we'll miss out on afternoon tea. Mustn't keep them waiting, you know.
I was just talking to my young friend here. I was telling him that... but he was here. I'd swear it. With his fishing rod. You must believe me.
Come along, George. You can share your story with everyone on the bus.
But I was telling him he was doing it wrong. I know what I'm talking about.
Sure, George. We believe you.